Invasive energy clearing. This is your healing video. Walk through with your angels to clear invasive energies out of your energetic body. A little bit of information. I just want you to know I've experimented with multiple techniques in clearing them, and so far I have discovered that this is the safest and most effective approach. I'm just simply asking your angels to remove them. You do need to point out to your angels where they are or where they might be, and this is why you can't get the same results by asking your angels just to clear you of all invasive energies. You can do that, you can try, but it's not going to be as comprehensive. As you move through the different areas of your energy and clearing them, you are essentially moving your consciousness into your various areas of energy, which helps you occupy your own space and push them out. No matter how strong an invasive being might be, remember, you are stronger. Divine law of sovereignty is you have divine right to what is allowed in your energy and what is not. Angels, and keep in mind, angels and divine guides will never be invasive. So if you see a being in your energy, inside your aura, even if it's saying it's a good guy, it's not. Because divine beings, divine energies operate according to divine law, which is the law of free will, and they will never break that law. And it really is about permission and sovereignty. When it comes to clearing your auric layers, each chakra powers a different layer of the aura. When these layers become damaged, invasive energies will move in, and your auric layers can be damaged very easily, by the way, but they also repair very easily. You just gotta, know how to do it. Each layer is on a different vibration. Vibration is color, so it helps to clear each one separately. Because invasive energies will often incur damage to the auric layers, additional damage. If you have damaged auric layers, entities, attachments can move in, but then they also do further damage. So you'll want to repair them following the clearing. We'll set intention now. You can affirm as I speak the words. You can say it in your mind, or you can speak the words out loud to yourself. I invite my angels of the highest frequencies of love and healing come and be present and assist in providing for myself the most powerful and effective healing possible for my greatest and highest good. First, we're going to clear some agreements. Agreements are accidental, inherited, or old permissions that we have given to these invasive beings. They need to be cleared in order to clear the especially strong and stubborn entities. So we'll ask your angels now to reveal to you any agreements you're at readiness in this moment to clear. Just imagine it might look like if you have any agreements, just ask your energy, ask your angels, show me, do I have any agreements with any entities or attachments from this life or past lives that I'm ready to clear? And you might get an image of a paper or a scroll or even a book sometimes if there's a lot. And once you have that image, that's a visual that you can work with. You dissolve that image of that agreement in golden light. Just dissolve it in golden light. Give yourself the time to really make sure that it fully dissolves. You can use your golden light from your wand. You can use light from your sword. And if you're struggling with it, you can just ask your angels to assist you, because you're affirming that you are ready, that you're giving permission to clear your agreements. Once your agreement has cleared and dissolved, you can ask your angels to please clear all invasive energies that are associated with the agreements that you just cleared. And then repair. We will now affirm through intention to repair and restore all areas of your energy body that these invasive energies were targeting. The 27 statements. We'll go through the 27 statements. They may seem a bit repetitive, but they need to be, because it's like quantum healing. If you've ever done quantum healing, where you're giving instructions to your energy, to your consciousness, to your super consciousness, higher consciousness angels, the 27 statements work on that principle. And we're going to go through and clear your chakras and auric layers and your meridians. Angels, please clear my crown chakra of any entities and attachments. So just ask your angels. You can read this in your mind, affirm it to yourself, or affirm it to yourself as I read the words. Angels, please clear my 7th layer of my aura of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my meridian between my 6th and 7th chakras of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my 3rd eye chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my 6th layer of my aura of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my meridian between my 5th and 6th chakras of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my throat chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my 5th layer of my aura of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my meridian between my 4th and 5th chakras of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my heart chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my 4th layer of my aura of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my meridian between my 3rd and 4th chakras of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my solar plexus chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my 3rd layer of my aura of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my meridian between my 2nd and 3rd chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my sacral chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my 2nd layer of my aura of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my meridian between my 1st and 2nd chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my root chakra of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my 1st layer of my aura of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my grounding of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my left arm of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my left leg of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my right leg of any entities and attachments. Angels, please clear my right arm of any entities and attachments. Oh wait, the angels want me to throw this one in. Angels, please clear my hand chakras of any entities and attachments. And please clear my feet chakras of any entities and attachments. And angels, please clear any entities and attachments that are targeting me from a distance. And angels, please clear into any entities and attachments that are in my home. Those are your 27 statements. Now we'll do some healing for each chakra and layer. We're going to, through visualization and intention, if you can't visualize or imagine this, that's okay. You can always do this work through intention, just affirming it be so, and it is, and you're working on your strengthening your intention and directing your conscious mind is directing the energy through intention. Golden healing light to restore and upgrade my 7th auric layer. Golden healing light to restore and upgrade my 6th auric layer. Golden healing light to fully restore and upgrade my 5th auric layer. Golden healing light to restore and upgrade my 4th auric layer. Golden healing light to fully restore and upgrade my 3rd auric layer. Golden healing light to fully restore and upgrade my 2nd auric layer. And golden healing light to fully restore and upgrade my 1st auric layer. Healing now for each chakra. Golden healing light to restore and upgrade my crown chakra. Golden healing light to restore and upgrade my 3rd chakra, front, center, 3rd eye chakra, front, center, and back. Because keep in mind your chakras are, they extend out from the front and the back, and then they have that central point that goes through the body. Golden healing light to fully restore and upgrade my throat chakra, front, center, and back. Golden healing light to fully restore and upgrade my heart chakra, front, center, and back. Golden healing light to restore and upgrade my solar plexus chakra, front, center, back. Golden healing light to restore and upgrade my sacral chakra, front, center, back. And golden healing light to restore and upgrade my root chakra and my grounding. Now for crossing earthbounds, which are ghosts of people who haven't crossed over, and sometimes they're attracted to people. They will occasionally attach themselves to a person or a place, and they are especially attracted to healers, light workers, starseeds, and old souls. If you have any earthbounds in your energy or your home, we call upon their angels now to come and be present and provide for them the healing that they need, so that they can feel safe and ready to cross with their angels. So call upon the angels of any earthbounds that may be attached to you or in your space that you have permissions to do. Ask the angels to offer them healing. Setting the intention to direct their attention to their angels so that they may be able to fully cross over and no longer feel the need to live within your personal energy or your personal space. That was your invasive energy clearing. You can listen to it as often as you need. Blessings and angel healing to you.